So guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. You're welcome to my live session this morning. Keep tapping, keep tapping. Welcome everyone. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Keep tapping so the live can reach a larger audience. So we'll be starting soon. In 3 minutes time we'll be starting. Well, I'm trying to set up. Keep tapping on the screen, keep tapping. So a larger audience will be notified about the live session. Everyone, good morning. You're welcome to my live session. Keep tapping so that the live will reach a larger audience. So in few minutes time we're going to start. Please just pardon me, let me clean the board. I have a question to solve for me. Good morning, Musa. You can send, what's the question about? If the question is about is rhyming with the topic we have for today, we'll solve it. Otherwise, you can send it to my DM. Send the question to my DM. You can send it to my WhatsApp or my green app. The contact is on my bio. Excel, good morning. Hope you had a good night. Good morning, everyone. 4x squared minus 19x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, this is a quadratic equation, and that's not what we're doing today. Just send me a DM. Well, I'll keep the question when next we have it. When next we are solving from the problems under quadratic equation, I'll take up your question. Okay, Musa? Today we are doing indices. So I don't want to go outside the topic. Do you understand? I want to go outside the topic. So guys, you're welcome. Keep tapping, keep tapping. So Musa, I've taken note of your question. 4x squared minus 19x minus 5 equals to 0. I've taken note of your question. Yes, I was supposed to raise the board, but the person that was supposed to help me with the nails couldn't make it yesterday, but he said he will come later in the day today because I need the nails to be lifted up, and I can't do that myself. Unfortunately, I don't have extra nails with me. Good morning everyone. So we'll be starting. So Lipsit, you said you'll come today, hopefully. So let's start. Keep tapping, guys, keep tapping as we're about to start. Keep tapping. Keep tapping, keep tapping. Hope my voice and my audio is clear. Hope my voice. Sigzela said it's gonna be a quadratic equation. All right, let's see. So we're going to start now. So viewers, let's start. You're welcome to today's class. I am Aisha Bande, as you all know. You're welcome to today's live session. If you're just joining for the first time, kindly click on the plus sign to follow this page and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime live or anytime I drop a new video here. I remain your tutor Aisha Bande. Thank you. Today we're going to solve questions under indices. So if you're just joining for the first time, I welcome you once more. So we have a question to solve today, which says 3 to the power of 2x minus 10, open bracket, 3 to the power of x, close bracket, plus 9 is equal to 0. So we are required to solve this question and get the value for x. So let's get started. You all know how I do it. Fauzia, good morning. You all know how I do it. So you solve first. I get answers from the audience. We pick the answers from the audience. When we do that, then we compare and see those that get it correctly, right? So that's how we do here. So let's begin, guys. Thank you for the follow. If you're just joining for the first time, please kindly invite family and friends. If you're writing JAM, if you're preparing for WAEC, NECO, I pick HSC questions, SAT exams, GCSE. These are all my sources. These are where I get my questions from. Past questions from JAM, from WAEC, NECO, HSC, that is Higher School Certificates Examination. This is for those in diaspora, SAT, and GCSE. So if you're an aspirant 2026 for any of these exams, kindly follow my live here, because that's where I pick my questions from. Okay, good morning everyone. If you're just joining, good morning. So I'm waiting for answers before I start solving. Okay, Sixella Junior, you said the answer is 1/3 or 3. Alright, so we start getting some answers. So I'll leave this space. He said 3 or 1/3. Answers from audience. So we have one answer, 1/3 or 3. I'll be in the comment section. Okay, Lola says her answer is 3. Continue the solving. Yeah, we'll solve. If you were here yesterday with us, you understand how we do it. We get answers from audience before I start solving. Prince Ofori, you said you have 3. Alright. So let's see if we have another answer besides 3. Please ensure you solve correctly. Mayana, thank you for the gift. Thank you. Alright, Musa, I'm waiting. Take your time. So for those that got 3 or 1/3, sorry, the answer is not correct. It's not correct. 3, if you got 3 as your answer or you got 1/3, the answer is not correct. So let's get more answers. Keep tapping, guys. Keep tapping. Keep tapping. I'm in the comments. Mayana, thank you so much for the gift. Thank you. I see you. God bless you. Thank you so much. So I'm here waiting. 3 to the power of 2x minus 10. Open bracket, 3 to the power of x. Close bracket, close. Now is equals to 0. Mayana, thank you so much for the gift. I see you. God bless you. So I'll be in the comments. Kati, good morning. Hope you had a good night. Abdul Jafar Haji, he said you got what? You got 4. Oh, Abdul Jafar, your answer is not correct. No. Mayana got 2. Okay. Mayana got it correctly. 2 is one of the answers, yes. But we're supposed to have 2 answers. Sixella said 1 or 2. No. 2 is one of the answers, but 1 is not the correct answer. Excel, thank you for sharing the live. 1 or 2, no. The answer is not 1 or 2. I want to do maths. Okay, pretty CY, come on. Carry your paper and your Bible. Let's do it together. Piano, thank you. Good morning, Ifi Love. Good morning. Hope you had a good night. Pretty CY has 3 and 2. 2 is correct. Yes, 2 is one of the answers. You got it correctly. but 3 is not the other answer. No, sorry, 3 is not the other answer. 2 is one of the answer. So the value for x here, we're supposed to have 2 because this will lead us to a quadratic equation. Musa said I got 4. Oh, Musa, no, it's not correct. Sorry. 4 is not the answer. 4 is not the answer. Sixzella Jr. says he got 0 or 2. Good. 0 or 2 is correct. 0 or 2 is correct. Pretty see why 5 is not the other answer. No. So we have 0 or 2. 2 and 5. Esozi. No. 5 is not part of the answer. Nifi Love, thank you for following. Yeah, so we have the final answer is supposed to be 0 and 2. So guys, let's get started. This is how we do it here, right? We get answers from the audience. Okay, Sizella saying I was too fast. Okay, please next time you just take your time. We're not in a hurry, okay? So guys, let's do this together. So just as we do it, we get answer from the answers from the audience, then we solve together and see. So here we have 3 to the power of 2x. Let's make this look like what we have here in this bracket. So this becomes 3 to the power of x all to the power of 2. This means the same thing because 2 times x, and this x times 2 is still the same thing as the 2x here, right? Minus 10 to the power of 3 to the power of x plus 9 is equal to 0. Please, if you understand what I have done in the first step, let me know. Because I wouldn't want to be coming back, having audience say they don't understand. Please let me know if you understand what I just did here. Please, more questions again. Yes, I have enough questions for us to solve this morning. Okay, it's clear. Alright, so now, this 3 to the power of x, we have it in the first term and in the second term. So let's 3 to the power of x to be represented with, let's say, y. So 3 to the power of x, now we're going to substitute it with letter y, right? So this becomes 3 to the power of x becomes y. Then we have a square here, minus 10. 3 to the power of x here becomes the y, plus 9 is equal to 0. So we have an equation, y squared minus 10y plus 9 equals to 0. Who can tell me in the comment section what's the name of this equation? This equation we have y squared minus 10y plus 9 is equals to 0. Please tell me in the comment section what's the name of this. What type of equation is this? What equation is this? Yes, Kathy, you got it right. That's a quadratic equation. Good. That's a quadratic. Yes, you're all correct. Nice one. That's a quadratic equation. So we have y squared minus 10y plus 9 is equal to 0, right? So now, can we use factorization method to solve this? Let's use factorization method to solve, right? So the first term here is 1, the last term is 9. Sorry guys. Yes, those are the common factors. You are correct. Yes. Minus 1, 9, minus 9y. Yes, you're all correct. Good job. Alright. So we're going to use 1 times 9 is 9. Let's do this step by step for the benefit of those who are not so mathematically inclined. Okay, so they have a clearer picture of what we're doing. 1 times 9 is 9. So the factors of 9, we have 1 and 9, we have 3 and 3. So what we are going to do is we take any two factors of 9 and make it the same value with the coefficient of the middle term, which is the second term. And the coefficient is minus 10. So what do we do to get minus 10? You say minus 1 minus 9. Minus 1 minus 9 gives us minus 10. So now this minus 10y will be represented with minus 1y minus 9y. So this becomes y squared minus 1y minus 9y plus 9 is equal to 0. And we know that this y is the same thing as what? 1y is the same thing as y, right? So, but for the benefit of those who are not so mathematically inclined, let's leave it this way. So what do? We take the first two terms and the last two terms and we put them in the brackets, right? We put this in the brackets. So we take the common factors here. The common factor here is y. If you factor y from y square, we are left with y. Minus, if you factor y from 1y, we'll be left with 1. Now let's go to the second bracket. We have minus here. The common factor here is 9. If you factor 9 from 9y, we have y. And if you factor 9, now, remember when we had our class yesterday, we were solving some problems. We saw the quadratic equation yesterday under under one simultaneous problem we solved. That very long one yesterday. For those who were with me yesterday, remember I told you this minus is going to affect the plus here. You don't put this plus doesn't come down here. The minus will affect the plus because this is a bracket, and bracket stands for multiplication. When you have a bracket, it means you're multiplying. So minus times plus is minus. So this becomes minus 9 equal to what? Because if you factor 9 from 9, we are left with 1. So minus 1 equals to 0. If you understand till this point, tell me understood in the comment section. Sabi, you want to come up? Yes, I can allow you come up if your background is not noisy. So let me know. If your background is not noisy, I'll let you come up. But if you have a noisy background, I will have to remove you. Sixzela, you say we must not do what? What about the general quadratic equation? Sir Alice, the general quadratic equation, do you mean the formula method? Are you talking about the formula method? If you want to come up, you can send an invite. If your environment is not noisy, I will let you in. Alright guys, can we go on? OJ Vibe said he's new here. You don't understand, I'm just joining. Big Mama at 30. Please can you check the solution from the beginning? It's so explanatory. Okay? Please guys, keep... Okay. I'll send you an invite now. Alright. Anika Gold, good morning. Okay. So hope you understand till this. Good morning, Sabi. I blocked the board. Okay, sorry about that. Hope it's clear now. Hope it's clearer now. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Okay. Okay. All right. You can leave it up. Yes. Yeah. Oh, all right. Okay. Though I stated it when I was solving that 1y is the same thing as y. I would have used y if I was the one solving personally, but I had to like use the 1 here for those that are not so mathematically inclined, so they understand why it is a 1. All right. Thank you for the feedback, sir. The y is to better help the identity in the brackets. And you say you want to join me. Okay, you can join me only if your environment is not noisy. You know what we are doing is math, so we not want noise. If you don't have music in your background and it's a very quiet environment, I can allow you join. And if you contribute positively, it's fine. Alright guys, so let's continue. PJ Olis, thank you, Sam. Alright guys, let's continue. So now, just as I stated yesterday, whatever you have in the first bracket must be the same with what you have in the second bracket. So you just pick any of them since they're alike. Okay, so we pick the values outside the bracket. We have a y here. minus, now the second value here is minus 9. So you equate this to be 0, right? So what this means is that the first bracket is equal to 0. The second bracket also is equal to 0. So this becomes y minus 1 is equal to 0, or y minus 9 is equal to 0. So we're going to have two values of y. So y will be equal to 0. Minus 1 crosses to the right hand side to become a plus. So we have y is equal to 1. Or, now let's get the second value. We have y is equal to 0. Minus 9 becomes a plus 9. So this is equal to 9. So we have two values of y to be 1 or 9. But this is not the end of the solution. What we are looking for is the value for x from the beginning of the question. We are not looking for the value for y. Remember, we made 3 to the power of x to be equal to y, and we've gotten the value for y. So what we are looking for is x. Okay? So, who can tell me what do I do? Okay, before then, please, if you understand till this step, let me know. Just say understood in the comment section. Guys, please keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping, so the live will get to a larger audience. Olami Richie, you say you don't understand? Okay. Kathy says understood. Cizella Claire, how did you get it? How did I get what? What exactly do you, which one do you mean how did I get? Please, can we go through the solution from the beginning? It's self-explanatory, okay? Yes, sir. Yes, Sabi. Kindly go on, sir. Yes, to both sides. Okay, yes. Yes, sir. That is another way. That's the beauty of mathematics, right? You can use different methods to solve a particular question and you come up with the same answer. I always mention that in every of my class. That's the beauty of mathematics. So, guys, hope you understood what Sabi has just explained to us. That's another way of solving. Sorry, I'm not showing in the camera because I'm trying to set my lights. So hope you understood what Sabi has just clarified. So Sabi, thank you so much for your contribution once more. Sorry, I'm trying to set the light well so that the board is clear. So we have gotten the value of y, but as I mentioned, y is not the value we are looking for. What we are looking for is the value for x. So tell me in the comments, what do we do to get the value for x? Tell me in the comments. I'll be in the comment section. What do we do to get the value for x since we have the value for y? I'll be in the comments. Omolara, you say I should start back. Sorry, I will not be able to start back, but I have more questions I will solve, okay? You can just take notes of the solution. When we solve another question, you understand better. So I'll be in the comments. So who can tell me what do we do next? Introduce log. No, I don't want to use log. I don't want to use log. I don't want to use log. Aside using log, what else can we do? I don't want to use log. Aside log. Mohammed Ibrahim, you're welcome. Tell me, aside log, what do we do? Substitute. Yes, I think that's better. So remember from here, since what? 3 to the power of x is equal to y. Let me draw a straight line here to divide the board for those that will be joining later. So since 3 to the power of x is equal to y, right? So let's substitute for the first value of y. So this becomes what? We have 3 to the power of x is equal to y. So this becomes 3 to the power of x is equal to what? Y is equal to 1, right? So this is 3 to the power of x is equal to. So now what we have to make the bases equal. So who can tell me? This what do I do to make what base do I use and what power to for me to get 1 here? Please tell me in the comment section. We did that yesterday. I want to make the bases equal. I want to make the basis equal. And you care go. The cell should substitute. Yes, you're correct. So that's what we're trying to do now. Humble Beauty, thank you. Thank you for the gift. I appreciate you. Very good. Yes, 3 raised to the power of 0. Good. We are all correct. So those that were here with me yesterday. So this is a proof that yes, we understood what we did yesterday, right? Good. So this becomes 3 to the power of 0. So since the bases are equal, what do I do? Since the bases are equal, what do I do? Yes, Chidera, you're correct. You're all correct. Thank you. Since the bases are not equal, what do I do? Yes, so we equate the power, right? Yes, good. Aha, good. So x becomes 0. So this is one of our answer. Alright, so we've got one of the answer for x, right? So guys, let's get the second value. Now we substitute for y equals to 9. The same 3x is equals to y. So this becomes 3 to the power of x is equal to 9. So who can tell me, what do we do here to make the base equal for 9? I'll be in the comments, so let me know. Guys, don't forget, keep tapping, so the live can, we square it. Okay, what do we square? Please be specific. I had 3 exponent 2 or 3 to the power of 2. Very good. Good job, everyone. So we do 3 to the power of 2. So this becomes 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 2. So the same thing, we equate the what? The powers because the bases are equal. So we have x is equal to 2. So that means x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 0. So these are the answers we have. So for those that got 0 2, remember at the beginning of the class, I told you that your answers are correct. So good job, guys. Good job. So we all did well. Thank you for the participation. Your engagement is what keeps me going. Your engagement is what keeps me here. So, if you're clear with this, kindly tell me continue in the comment section. Kindly type continue in the comment section. If we are clear, kindly type continue in the comment section. So kindly type continue. So I'll be in the comments. Okay, I should continue, alright. Okay. So let's try another interesting one. Guys, keep tapping, so that this live can get to a larger audience. So guys, keep tapping. So this class is going to be for 3 hours today. So we have 27 to the power of x plus 2 divided by 9 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. If you want to join in and you know you are in a quiet environment, kindly send a request. Please guys, as you're coming in, kindly follow this page. Kindly follow. Keep resharing. Thank you to all my gifters. God bless you all. I see you all. Thank you so much. Thank you for the follow. So guys, try this and tell me your answer in the comment section. Take your time. Let's do this in 120 seconds. If you have your final answer, kindly drop your answer in the comment section. I'll be in the comments. Okay, Benny, you have 27. Is 27 your final answer? The final answer. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. I'm expecting the final answer in the comment section. Take your time. Okay. D, Ethiopia. Is your final answer 6? Faith, I don't see myself for mass class. I beg stay oh. No go anywhere. Stay here. Faith, don't go anywhere. Yes, okay. I'm obstructing the board, right? Let me change. Sorry, I want to change the position of my camera. I want to change the position of my camera. I think it will be better this way, so I don't have to be blocking the board. I think it's better this way. Should be better like this. I'm changing the position. Hello, Drifts. You're welcome. I see you. Thank you so much for the gifts. Thank you, Drifts. I'm grateful. God bless you. Thank you for the encouragement. Faith, you can do better than me now. Can do better. It's just the mindset. Believe me. It's just the mindset. Can do better. X equals to 4. Lawal Damnola. You have your answer at x equals to 4. Okay. So we have one answer down. Damnola has x equals to 4. Princess Nikki has x equals to 8. So we're getting different answers. We need more answers. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your kind words of encouragement. Thank you for the gifts. Gifts, thank you so much. Believe me, I'm super grateful. Thank you. Chidera has 4. Okay. So we have 4 again. Please, I need more answers. I need more answers. I need more answers. Please guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. You guys are not really tapping. I want to see you tapping. You know, the more you tap on the screen, the more this live reach a larger audience so they can benefit. Keystone has 8. I blocked your face. Be truthful. Do you mean I blocked the board? Okay. Ayike Gold has 8. Okay, we have it already on the board. Sorry, I'm blocking the board. Alright, see the question. I'm trying to set the camera in such a way that I don't have to be blocking this board. Okay, sorry. Hope I'm not blocking the board again. Hope I'm not blocking the board again. I need more answers, guys. Razbuju has 8. Okay, so we have 4 and 8 as the answers. Is that what we have so far? Razbuju has 8. Okay. Guys, keep tapping on the screen. So, Chidera has 4. Okay, so we have 2 answers now. ASM has -2/3. I should start the process. Okay. We have -2/3. Somebody just said, I'm working on it. Please hold on. Okay, so we are waiting. In 30 seconds, please. In 30 seconds, we'll be waiting. Nurse Miracle has 8. Okay, Nurse. So we have 8 already. So I want to see if we can get a different answer. 4/3. Somebody has 4/3. So we'll see. Find out. So we have 4. Queen has 4. Alright, so let's keep going. Guys, keep tapping. I should start the process, right? Okay, I'll start now. Let me start right away. I'll start now. Guys, please keep sharing. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Keep sharing. Okay, so let me solve. Let's solve together, guys. Just the way we do it. Okay, guys, please don't forget, you know, every time I come around, I always ask for your support on my YouTube page. Please, I'm trying to grow my YouTube page. Please, I need your support on my YouTube page. Kindly search for Mass with Aisha Bande. Mass with Aisha Bande on YouTube and subscribe, and please watch my videos, please. I need your great support on YouTube. Okay? Mass with Aisha Bande, that's my YouTube page. X equals to 1, Engineer Nas. X equals to 1. Okay. So, now let's discuss about the answers we have, then we'll solve. Okay. So we have different answers. For those that got X equal to -2/3, sorry, your answer is incorrect. -2/3, your answer is incorrect. For those that got X is equal to 8, sorry, your answer is incorrect. If you got 4/3 as your answer, you are incorrect. If you got 1 as your answer, you didn't get it right. And for those that got their answer as 4, they got it correctly. So those that got 4 are the champions for this question. Alright? So let's do this together. X is equals to 4. So let's prove that X is equals to 4, guys. Let's do this together. This is 27 to the power of X plus 2 divided by 9 to the power of X plus 1 is equals to 3 to the power of 2x. So what do? We make the bases equal. So this smaller base here is 3. So let's make all the base become what? 3. Alright, so this 27 becomes 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 3 means 3 times 3 times 3, right? That is 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So 3 to the power of 3. Then we have a power already, which is x plus 2. Divided by, this 9 becomes 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 means 3 times 3. That is 9. And remember, we have a power of x plus 1 here. This is equal to 3 to the power of what? 2x. Now, all the bases are what? They are now equal. We have 3, 3, 3 for each term. Now, let's simplify this. This becomes 3 to the power of 3 times x is 3x, plus 3 times 2 gives us 6, right? Divided by 3. Now, let's simplify the power. 2 times x is 2x, plus 2 times 1 is 2, equals to 3 to the power of 2x. So, now this is division. From the laws of indices, if you have a divided by, let me say x to the power of a divided by x to the power of b, this is equal to x to the power of a minus b. What this means is if the bases are equal, you pick one of the bases and subtract the powers. So the same rule we are going to apply it here. Now the base here is 3. We take the power, which is 3x plus 6. We do what? We subtract it. We subtract the other power, which is what? Here we have 3x plus 6 minus this other power, which is what? 2x plus 2. This is equal to 3 to the power of 2x. Alright? So if you understand up to this point, just type understood. I'll be in the comments so that I'm sure that we are on the same level. I'll be in the comments. Leah said it's so simple. Yeah, Sherry, Zainab. I'm always lost in masters. I don't know what is wrong with my brain. Zainab, nothing is wrong with your brain. It's just the mindset. Just be calm when solving maths, okay? That's just the beauty of maths. You have to be calm. If you are in a hurry, you'll not get it right, okay? It's 4. The minus will affect all the numbers in the brackets. Which one do you mean? Always confused with that. Okay. You're talking about the final answer. Okay. Razguju. Okay, you have seen your error, right? So you agree now that the answer is 4. Okay. Okay, everyone here says understood. UK painter. Where should I come again? Oh, okay, not UK painter, sorry. Slim Busasi, right? I should come again at what point? You have to be specific. I don't understand. Blueberries. Where is it you don't understand? I'll start teaching chemistry on my second page. I have a chemistry page. Just search for Aisha Bande. It will come up. You see my second chemistry page. I don't understand, please. Blueberries, at what point is it you don't understand? You have to be specific at what point. Or are you just joining? Are you just joining us? So now what we do here is, since the bases here are equal, we equate the powers. So here we have 3x plus 6 minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 2x. Now we've equated the powers. Now we are going to simplify and get the value for x. So this becomes 3x plus 6 minus 2x. Minus times plus is minus, so we have minus 2 is equal to 2x. So let's simplify. Let's rearrange. This becomes 3x minus 2x. Let's bring this 2 to this other side. It becomes a minus 2x because there's a plus here. This is equal to, now let's take the 6 to the other side. It becomes minus 6. Minus 2 crosses the equal sign to become a plus 2. What we are doing here is rearranging. So 3x minus 2x will give us 1x. 1x minus 2x will give us minus x. That is minus 1x. Okay? 1x minus 2x is minus 1x. I'll just use minus 1x here for the sake of those who might not really understand. But you can still leave your answer as minus x. It means the same thing. So this is equal to minus 6 plus 2 gives us what? Minus 4. So minus 1x here, right? So minus 1x is the same thing as minus x is equal to minus 4. So minus, we cancel out the minus, right? So we have x is equal to 4. So this is the final correct answer. To all those who got the answers, cheers to you all. So x is equal to 4. Hope I'm not blocking the board. Please guys, kindly go to YouTube, search for Maths with Aisha Bande and subscribe to my channel. Watch my videos, drop your support there, okay? Your support means a whole lot to me. This class is going to last for 3 hours. We are almost 1 hour gone. Alright guys, if we are good, kindly type continue. Type continue. Divya said I get it, madam. Alright. Please solve again. If I will have to solve, so many people that have joined from the beginning will be all interested and want to leave the live. So it makes the live boring. So if there's anything you don't understand, can you take a screenshot of it and you can send me a DM. So let's continue. Okay, let's continue. Another question. Yes, sure. I have enough questions for us to. So let's try to go on. So I'll be cleaning the board now. Are we going to do trigonometry today? Trigonometry, I'll do trigonometry at 3 p.m. Should I do trigonometry today? Yes. Please check with the answer. Princess Nikki, which answer? Do you mean the 4? What happened to the final answer? So I'm cleaning the board so that we'll go to another question. Guys, please keep tapping, keep tapping. The more you tap, the more this live reaches a larger audience. Your support means a whole lot to me, and I do not take your support for granted. Thank you everyone for your engagement. Your engagement is what keeps me standing here. So the question is 31 to the power of n minus 1 times 27 to the power of n plus 1 divided by 81 to the power of n. So guys, let's solve for n. Keep tapping, keep tapping. How will I join to be attending your class? This is the only way you can attend my class. When you keep joining my live sessions. I come live Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. in the morning, 3 p.m. in the afternoon, 10 p.m. at night. Keep tapping guys, keep tapping so the live will reach a larger audience. Set another question where the bases aren't the same. Even this one, the bases are not the same. All the questions we have been solving, all the bases are not the same, right? We don't have or abulaj, or maybe I don't understand what you mean. So guys, let's solve. Keep tapping, please. Keep tapping, keep tapping. So let's solve for n. Let's solve for n. Let's solve for n. Hope I'm not blocking the question. Chidera, you want to join? Hope your environment is not noisy. If it is not, I'll accept you. If it's noisy, I'll remove you. And hope you don't feel bad about it. Chidera, please respond to me in the comment section. Are you in a noise-free environment? Are you in a noise-free environment? It's not noisy. Okay, I'll accept your invite. But please, and please contribute, okay? Positively. So I'll be in the comments waiting for answers. 3 to the power of n minus 1 minus 27 to the power of n plus 1 divided by 81 to the power of n. Chidera, your environment is noisy. Please, can you mute yourself? The environment is noisy. It is. Okay, audience, please let us know in the comments. Is Chidera's environment noisy or not? Okay, I think it's better now. Can you see? Can you see the comments? Your environment is a bit noisy compared to where I am. It's better now. It's better now, don't worry, it's better. Alright. So we have different answers. We have 9, 9. Okay. 2. Divya has 2. So the different answers we have 9, we have 2. So let's get more answers in the next 60 seconds. Benny has 9. 9, okay. Alright, we'll confirm that. So let's get more answers from the audience. Let's get more answers from the audience. Nikki, Princess Nikki has 1/3. In 30 more seconds, I will pick more answers. Sherry Zainab has 9. Okay. Let's get more answers in the next 15 seconds. I just joined, so aid me in solving, please. Yes, I'll solve. We first get answers from audience before we solve. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. To all my gifters, thank you. Bella said, I don't understand. Don't worry, we'll solve it together, you understand. So if you're just joining, you're welcome to my live. We're solving questions under indices, and this class is going to last for 3 hours. We have spent almost 1 hour, so we have 2 more hours to go. This is 9:48 a.m. Nigerian time, and the class will end at exactly 12 p.m. Nigerian time. I know we use the West African time, right? So, irrespective of a geographical location, I welcome you to my life as you join in. Kindly tap, 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 so that this life will reach a larger audience. So, I have another answer from a follower in Ghana. He says the answer is equal to 2. So, we already have 2 as one of the answer. Felix has 9. Okay, I think at this point we need to solve to verify. So, just the way I do it, guys. Just the way we do it. Now, for those that got 9 as their answer, okay, you remember this is how I do it. I always start from the wrong answer, then I move to the right one. If you got 1/3, sorry, the answer is wrong. 1/3 is not the correct answer. If you got 2 as your answer, 2 is not correct. 2 is not correct. Princess Nikki, I can see you changed the answer to 2/3, and that is not correct. Okay, so the correct answer goes to those that got 9. Yes, those that got 9 have it. So good job, guys. So let's prove that 9 is the correct answer. So looking at this, we have base 3 here, base 27 here, and base 8 here. So we're going to take this to the smallest base, which is what? Base 3, right? Okay. Please, as you're coming in, kindly follow, okay? Kindly click on the follow button. So guys, let's take this to base 3. So this becomes 3 to the power of n minus 1. Chidera, are you there? Chidera, are you still there? Okay, I want you to guide us to solve this problem. So what do I do next from here? I want to take 27 to base 3. What do I do? Okay, so this becomes times. Okay. Over. Then the 81 becomes what? Okay. Yes. Alright, good. So now, okay, that's correct. I will get back to you, Chidera. So viewers, as you can see now, Chidera has helped us now. All the bases are now in base 3. Okay. Please, if you are taking a number to a power, do not add the powers. Remember, what we do is we are multiplying. 3 to the power of 3 does not mean 3 plus 3 plus 3. Rather, it means 3 times 3 times 3. Please take note of that. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Because during yesterday's class, some people had this issue of powers. They add instead of multiplying. So, children, let's go on. What do we do next from here? Okay, alright. Alright. Okay, what about what if we decide to expand the bracket first? I think that makes it easier. Okay, let's expand the bracket first. Let's expand first. So let's expand. So children, expand this bracket for us. Very good. This becomes 3n plus 3. So viewers, children got 3n plus 3 because he multiplied 3 times n, he got 3n, and he multiplied 3 times 1, he got the 3 here. Hope you're clear. Now, children, let's go to the denominator. What do you have there? Yes, he got 4n because if you multiply the 4 by the n, you get what? You get 4n. Good. So now this becomes 3 to the power of n minus 1 times, now we are going to use the law of indices, the division law of indices, which states that if you have x to the power of a divided by x to the power of b, this becomes what? Since the bases are equal, you pick one of the base and you subtract the powers. No, it should be a minus b. You subtract the powers, right? Good. So children, help us with this using the same rule. Three raised to the power 3n plus 3 minus 4n, right? Good, that's correct. So now we now have this basis here, and we have the basis here now equal, and we have a multiplication. So what do we do now? Before then, no, not addition law, multiplication law. No, it's called multiplication law of indices because what we have here is multiplication. Yes, when you have x to the power of a times x to the power of b, it becomes x to the power of a plus b, right? So you are adding the powers. Yes. So what do we do? Alright, so go on. Okay, 3 to the power of n minus 1 plus 3, right? Very good. Alright, so let's simplify this. This becomes what? 3 to the power of what? Okay, let's rearrange. Let's show viewers. Let's rearrange for, yes, let's rearrange for those that might not actually understand. You understand? Let's take the values of n together. So n, we have plus 3n, and we have minus 4n, then we have minus 1 plus 3. So we just rearranged at this point. So go on, Chidera. Okay, because what? Wait, Chidera, please, sorry, hold on. Let me talk to the audience. Please hold on. N plus 3n minus 4n is 0. How did Chidera get 0? Because n plus 3n gives us 4n, and 4n minus 4n gives us 0. So that's how we got the 0, right? So go on. So now this now becomes 3 to the power of 0, minus 1 plus 3 will give us what? 2. Very good, plus 2. And 3 plus 0 will give us 2, right? So this becomes 3 to the power of 2. Alright. So Chidera got 3 to the power of 2 as 9 because he did not do 3 plus 3. Instead, he did 3 times 3, remember. So don't mix that up. So 3 times 3. 3 to the power of 2 means 3 appearing in 2 places. It's a power, so you multiply. So 3 times 3 gives us 9. So this is how we got the 9, okay? So Chidera, thank you for your contribution. Somi said, which subject is this? It's maths. It's maths, so it's not biology. Thank you all for the follow. Thank you for following. Alright guys, thank you for your contribution. Alright, so if you understand, kindly type understood in the comment section so that we will move on to the next question we have here. If you understand, kindly tell me move on. Or just type anything. Type understood, okay, move on. Thank you for the survey, you're welcome. Alright guys, so let's solve another question. If you have any friends, if you have friends, family, even your enemies that are aspirants for any external exam 2026, kindly tell them to join my live. I pick my questions from JAM, NECO, WAEC, both internal WAEC and external WAEC past questions from every different topics. Okay? I also pick questions from HSC, which is a foreign exam. I pick questions from SAT. I pick questions from GCSE under different topics. Guys, please do not forget, kindly go to YouTube, search for Maths with Aisha Bande and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your support. Daniel says, I don't understand. Sorry, you don't understand because you're just joining. We're going to solve another one now, and hopefully you understand this one. Oh, today I'm not even numbering the questions. I've just been solving. I don't even know what number I am now. But we'll just keep solving. Alright guys, so let's give this a try. We have 27 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 8 to the power of 2 over 3, all divided by 16 to the power of 2 over 4 times 2. So let's give this a try. Let's see. Let's give it a try. Let's see. Let's give this a try. Take your time. Guys, please keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. The more you tap, the more this live reaches a larger audience. So keep tapping. Tapping is a way of supporting this live. To all my gifters, thank you so much. I see you all. This is the third one. Okay, this is the third question. Are you sure this is not the fourth one? How many questions have we solved? 1, 2, 3. This is number 4. This is question 4. So guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. Tapping is a way of supporting this live. To all my gifters, thank you everyone. I see you all. I appreciate you all. God bless every one of you here for your engagement. Keep tapping, guys. Keep tapping. So take your time. Solve. Please don't go to ChatGPT to solve it. Solve the questions yourself. Don't ask ChatGPT for the answer, please. So guys, keep solving. This live is going to be for 3 hours. We have crossed the 1 hour limit. 1 hour already. Keep solving, keep solving. Solving in the comments. So in the next 60 seconds, I want to have the answers. I'll pick all the answers from the comment section. I have to sit down today. Yesterday I was standing all through. I was standing all through yesterday. My legs ache me so much. So viewers, keep tapping. Keep tapping, keep tapping. Keep supporting this live. Thank you to all my viewers. Thank you to all my gifters. Thank you for engagement. Oh my God. Chidera, please let me check the comment section. Do we have enough answers down already? Okay, so let's work with the answers. You have enough, right? Okay. So I'm in the comment section now. So let me pick answers from the audience. Rayua, thank you. Okay. What? King Bamba has -1/8. Let's see another one. If you want to come up, kindly let me know. If you are in a noise-free environment, I will accept you. Chidera has -1/8 or 2 to the power of -3. Chidera, do you mean like this? 2 to the power of -3 like this? Okay, this is the same thing. This means the same thing. Okay, it means the same thing. I have -1/4, -1 of, okay. We have -1/4, we have 1/6. -1/8, okay. -1/8, -1/4 from Ajari Mary. That's Rahim, -1/8, -1/4. I'm reading comments. Okay. Benjamin, thank you for the rose. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Annie has -1/8. We have a different answer. Lassan has -3/2. Okay, Benny, I can see you sent a request. Please, is your environment noise free? If it is noise free, I'll accept it. But if there is noise, I will take you down. I hope you don't feel bad about it. Hope you're in a noise free environment. Let me know so that I'll accept you. Okay, so I'm still looking out for answers. Okay, please reply me. Guys, please keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. Thank you all for the gifts. Keep tapping. Okay. I think we have enough answer now, right? We have enough answer we can work with. You'll request later. Alright, it's fine. Okay, guys. So let's see those that got the answer correctly. Are we ready? So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 answers. 5 different answers. 5 different answers. Okay. We have 5 different answers. Okay. So I will start with the wrong answer to the what? To the right one. Those that got -3/2, the answer is incorrect. Those that got -3/2, your answer is not correct. If you got 1/6, that's wrong. 1/6 is wrong. Those that have -1/4 got it incorrectly. If you have -1/8, your answer is correct. And minus 1 over 8 is still the same thing as what? 2 to the power of minus 3. So those with minus 1 over 8 and those with 2 to the power of minus 3 have the answer correctly. So thank you everyone. Keep tapping, keep tapping. Thank you. So let's see how we got the answer as minus 1 over 8. Most of the audience got this minus 1 over 8. So let's solve together. We have 27. Now we're looking at the basis. We have 27, we have 8, we have 16, and we have 2. So I want from the audience, tell me in the comment section, what do I do? What do I do first? What base should we use? What's the base we should use? Let me know in the comment section. Fed Moen said it's very simple. Yes, it's simple, but tell me in the comment section, what do I do first? In the comments, please tell me. I should do base 3. Alright. Okay, that's correct. So Chidera, are you there? Alright, over to you. Now let's do this together. So this 27 becomes what? Yes, let's take it. Good. Okay, let's put this in the bracket. Time, okay, minus the 8. What base should we take the 8 to? Base 2. So it becomes 2 to the power of what? 2 to the power of 3 to the power of what? 2 over 3, right? Then the 16. We take 16 to what base? Base 2. Okay, so it becomes 2 to the power of what? 2 to the power of 4. Okay, to the power of 2 over 4, right? Then times 2. This 2 is same as 2 to the power of 1, right? So let's simplify. So this becomes 3 to the power of 3 times 1 is 3 over 3. This denominator here is, because this is what we do. For those who might not understand what I did here, this is 3 times 1 over 3. So 3 times 1 here is 3. This 3 doesn't have a denominator. We can say the denominator is 1. So the denominators here we have 1 times 3 here is 3. So 3 divided by, so this is going to be what? 3 divided by 3, right? So that's why I have 3 over 3 here. And 3 divided by 3 will give me 1. So I can replace this one with 1. Minus, now let's simplify this. This is 2 to the power of 3 times 2 over 3. This 3 is same as saying 3 over 1. So 3 times 2 here is 6. 1 times 3 is what? 3. 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. So this 2 here becomes 2 to the power of 2. Now divided by, now we have 2. Then let's take the powers. We have 4 times 2 over 4. This one is same as saying 4 over 1. 4 times 2 will give me 8, and 1 times 4 will give me 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Alright? Hope I'm not too fast. So this power here is 2 times 2 to the power of 1. So at this point, what do we do? I want viewers in the comment section to tell me what to do at this point. Can you let me know what do I do here? And I have 3 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of 4. I'll be in the comments. Tell me what I should do here. Thank you everyone for the follow. Thank you. I'm in the comments. We take the inverse. Does it know? We're not taking the inverse. We are not taking the inverse. I'll be in the comments. Add the power. Temitopa, you're welcome. Please kindly follow the page. We expand. We are not expanding here because there's no brackets here. Big Sam, you say I should accept your request. Please, is your environment noise free? If I don't want a noisy environment, please. If your environment is noise free, I will accept you. Perhaps say go to the denominator. The numerator is simplified and the powers, add the powers for the denominators. Okay, let me accept you, but if your environment is noisy, I'll take you down. Please don't feel bad if I do that. Okay, let's simplify. Two raised to power 2 cancel 2 raised to power 2. Your environment is a bit noisy. Please, can you move away from there a bit? It's a bit noisy. Guys, confirm. Big Sam, is the environment noisy? Yes, it's a bit noisy. So 3 to the power of 1 means 3 in one place. That is just, this gives us 3. 2 to the power of 2, that is 2 times 2. That is what? 4. Over 2 to the power of 2 here is 4. Times 2 to the power of 1 is 2. So 3 minus 1 gives us 3 minus 4 gives us -1 over 4 times 2 gives us 8. Some people have this problem of when they have 3 minus 4, if they don't use calculator, they will not know the correct answer. I'll show you how to do this now. But now the correct answer to this problem is -1 over 8. So once more, to those that got -1 over 8, good job. Somebody said that will get Wole. Yes, now he's a fan of our president, so that's why I use his picture, right? Big Sam. Can see you're a fan of our president. Temitope say, I don't understand, ma. Can you brief it? Let me just do this briefly. 27 to the power of 1 over 3 minus 8 to the power of 2 over 3 divided by 16 to the power of 2 over 4 times 2. Big Sam, do you understand what we did? Okay, you just came. Okay. Chidera? Hello, Chidera? Can you explain to us what we did from the beginning? Can you explain to one of our followers here? She said she just came in. Can you just explain to her briefly before we move on to the next question? So she's listening to you. Yes, you can start. The steps, the way it is on the board, just explain to her in brief. Go on. Yeah, go on. She's here. She's in the comment section. She's listening to you. Okay, thank you, Chidera. Temitope, right? I hope you understood what Chidera said. No, Abudi, say I should add you. Adding is not a problem. I love having students who want to learn on my platform being added. But what I don't want is a noisy environment because, you know, what we are doing is what we are solving master. We don't want noise. So if your environment is noise free, I can always add you. So Noah, if your environment is not noisy, let me know in the comment section. So I have a question from Paps that says, what if the question says leave your answer in index form? So if he said we should leave our answer in index form, who can help me? Who can help him out? What do we do? What do we do? Chidera or Big Sam? Or anybody from the comment section. If we want to leave this answer -1/8 to its index form, what do you do? Perhaps you say I should let you come in. Okay, send an invite. Perhaps send an invite again. Let me see it. Guys, I'm waiting. If you have to leave your answer in index form, what will be the answer? Margaret Stitches. You said I'm not answering you. Sorry. What's your question, Margaret? You know, there are so many comments that sometimes I don't get to see some of them. Margaret, please drop your question again. Sorry if you feel ignored, please intentional. What's your question, Margaret? Okay, you said how did you get the first 3 from 27? The first 3 here, this 27 here, we took it to base 3. So 3 to the power of 3 is what gave us this 27. 3 to the power of 3 means 3 times 3 times 3. So we simplified 27 to base 3. So Margaret, I hope that answers your question. Alright guys, please keep tapping the screen. So I'm still waiting for the answer. Those I want to help me. Perhaps you say you have sent. Why am I not seeing your invitation? I'm not seeing your invitation. Perhaps I didn't see your invitation. I didn't see it. Okay, Margaret. Okay, it's good to know that you understand now. Okay, so if you are asked to leave the answer in index form, Chidera, do you know how to do it? In index form. Yes? Okay. So I'm waiting. Let me see from the audience if anyone will get it. Guys, we have -1/8, right? Write -1/8 to its index form. Yes, we are waiting. Yes? Yes, I can hear you. Chidera, I can hear you. Hello? I think my network is fluctuating. Okay. Yeah? No. So guys, I'm in the comments. I'm in the comments. Change -1/8 to index form. Yes, anyone? Okay. No, it's not the same. Guys, can you see my board? It's like my network is fluctuating. Chidera, can you see my board? Okay, so let's do this. So for those that are asking, this one -1/8, let's write it to its index form. We have a minus. Let's keep the minus. 1/8 is the same thing as what? 8 to the power of -1, right? Do we agree to this, guys? So this is in its index form. 8 to the power, this 1/8 is 8 to the power of -1. Already we have a negative symbol here. So we have -8 to the power of -1. So we have this in the index form. Please hope we understand. So who asked the question? I think it's Paps, yeah? Paps, hope you understand. Paps, I've searched for your invitation. I can't find it. And I'm even trying to send you an invite. but it's not coming up. Guys, please keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. Uloko, you say I'm too fast. Hey, yeah, sorry. I'll try and slow down. So for those who might be confused on how to do 3 minus 4, this is how you get your answer for 3 minus 4. Without using you don't need to use calculator. See, do 3 minus 4. This 3 here is a positive value. That means it has a plus, right? So this is the same thing as saying plus 3. So how many 3 plus will be here? 1, 2, 3. This is minus 4. It means that minus is going to be 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we want to know what your answer will be, plus we cancel minus here. Plus cancels minus. Plus cancels minus. What do we have left? We have a minus. How many minus do we have left? 1. So that's why your answer is minus 1. Do you understand? Oh, Chidera said his sub just finished. Yeah, sorry about that. Alright, so we are going to, so if you are clear with this, kindly tell me continue in the comment sections. Guys, please keep tapping so this live will get to a larger audience. Keep tapping. Okay, let me continue. We have another interesting question there. Guys, keep tapping. To all my gifters, thank you so much. Thank you everyone for your engagement. I appreciate each and every one of you here. So this is not 3 times root 3. This is cube root. Cube root, please. Cube root of 64, 8 to the power of 3. All of this raised to the power of minus 1. So viewers, let's give it a try. Samike says I'm new here. Samike, you're welcome. You're welcome. Perhaps you said the 16 football lovers is not clever. No, we are solving another question now, so we are done with the other question. We're done. So guys, let's continue. Keep tapping. The more you tap, the more this live gets to a larger audience, okay? So guys, keep tapping. We have cube root of 64, 8 to the power of 3 to the power of minus 1. Leah, you say you don't understand, you don't get it. Just be calm, you get it. So guys, I'll be in the comments waiting for answers. If you want to join and you are engineer, you're doing well. Thank you, Sweet Rush. Thank you. Oh, Engineer Abdurrashid, I see you. Thank you so much. Sammy K, thank you for reposting. I'll continue, not now. We'll start solving now till I get answers from the audience. That's how we do it. When I get the answers from the audience, we take note of the answers, then we solve to see who is those that are correct. So guys, I'm looking for answers. So if you want a private session and you are willing to pay for it, I have tutors, guaranteed tutors, good tutors who teach online that are willing to teach for a token. So if you wish to have private class, one-on-one class, kindly let me know. Send me a DM. My contact to my green app contact is on my bio. So you send me a message. I'll link you up to tutors in maths and science subjects. In fact, in any subject you want, I have tutors in all the subjects. Yes, it's online class. I don't take private class for now because I'm fully occupied. So I'm waiting for answers, guys. Let's get more answers. If you want to join and you are in a noise-free environment, kindly send an invitation. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. At just search for Maths with Aisha Bande on YouTube and it will come up. The number is on my bio. Check my bio, you see my green app number there. Please, no calls, only messages. I don't respond to calls. Only messages on WhatsApp. So I'm waiting for answers in the next. Do you teach chemistry and physics? I teach physics and maths on this page. I teach chemistry on my other page. I have another page for chemistry. Just search for Aisha Bande to come up. You see my second page. Let me know. Samike, try it now, please. Search for Aisha Bande. Just search for my name. And you'll see my other page. If you see it, let me know. Okay, you've gotten your answer. No problem, I'll check. We are waiting for other answers, so we verify. So I'm still waiting to get more answers. To all my gifters, thank you all. Okay, so let me get the answers. Guys, please keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping so this live can reach a larger audience. So I'm in the comments now. I want to get answers. I'm in the comments. Okay, so I have one answer here, which is 64 raised to power 1 over 3 from J's. 64 raised to power 1 over 3. Is that what I have there? 64 raised to power 1 over 3. 64 raised to power 3 over 3. 64 raised to power 3 over 3. Perhaps you say you have 1 over 4a. No, you can't have your answer as 1 over 4a. Because what we are looking for is the value for a, right? So you can't have a in your final answer. So, oh, sorry. Little. You have 1 over 4a. Okay. No, I'm not. So, to get the answer. 1 over 4a. Okay. Do you teach other art subjects? No, I don't teach art subjects. But I have tutors who take art subjects. My sub finished now, so I did not hear you. Where will I see your number? Number is on my bio. Just go to my page. On my landing page, you see my bio there. So I put the number there. So I have another answer. 1 over A, 3 root 6. 1 over A, 3 root 6. This is the answer. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. Okay, as Shuwaju said, he has 1 over 4A. Okay, do you teach commercial subjects? No, I don't. I only take maths and sciences. Must solve now. Yes, I'll solve. I'll solve. So let's see. So let's verify. Let's verify. So those that have 64 raised to power 1 over 3, the answer is not correct. Is not correct. 64 to the power of 1 over 3 is not correct. For those that have 64 to the power of 3 over 3 is also not correct. Is not correct. So to those that have 1 over A 3 root 6 is also not correct. Sorry, it's not correct, okay? 1 over A 3 root 6 is not correct. So to those that have 1, if you have 1 over 4A, the answer is correct. 1 over 4A is the correct answer. So let's verify this. Let's do this together. So guys, please keep tapping, keep tapping. It's when you tap, the live will get to a larger audience. That's the way of supporting this live. Please keep tapping. Keep tapping, keep tapping, keep sharing so that more people will join the live and benefit from it. Charles Rolex, hi, you're welcome to my live. So let's solve this together. This cube root of 64a to the power of 3 all to the power of minus 1 is same thing as saying 1 over the cube root of a. Now I want to remove this negative one, so take the reciprocal, right? So this is 64a cube root of 64a to the power of 3. I hope we understand what I did this step. If you understand what I just did here, just tell me yes in the comment section. If you understand what I just did here, tell me yes. Just type yes so we can continue. Alright, so let's continue. So what we are going to do now is we're going to take this, let's make the basis inside this square root, inside this cube root. Let's make the basis the same. So this is equal to what? 1 over cube root. Now this a to the power of, this a has a power of 3. So which number to the power of 3 will give me 64? Tell me in the comment section. Because I want to make the powers equal. So which number to the power of 3 will give me 64? Type it in the comment section. 4. Sabi says 4. Good. Yes, you're all correct. Good. You're all correct. So this becomes 4 to the power of 3. So here I have 1 over cube root of 4 to the power of 3 and 8 to the power of 3, right? So what do we do in this case? So since the powers are now equal, this will be equal to what? This becomes 1 over the cube root of 4. So the powers are the same, right? So we take the bases together and we pick one of the power. So now guys, look at this. Now I have 1 over cube root of 4a to the power of 3. Who can tell me what can happen here? What can I do here at this point? Tell me in the comment section. What can I do here? Tell me in the comment section. Tell me. Tell me in the comment section, guys. What can I do here? Cancel the cube roots. Good. No, we are not opening the brackets. No. Cancel cube cancel each other. Good. Okay, good. Good. You guys are doing well. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Good. So now the cube root, we cancel the power, right, of 3. So I'll be left with 1 over 4a. So this is the final answer. 1 over 4a. Alright? So those that got 1 over 4a have it. Somebody says, this mass feed by me like this morning. Mass where me I want use by car. You the find nice. Alright guys, let's go on. No negative energy here. Young Iman. At what point is it you don't understand? At what point? Alaji still say I don't understand. Please, if you understand, tell me you understood in the comment section. If you understand from the beginning, are you just joining? Alaji, are you just joining? Sorry, Young Aki Iman, are you just joining? Queen says understand. Yeah, those are with me. Those are with me from the beginning. We understand what we did. So if you are just joining, sorry about that. I'll just do a little recap. Sabi said, bring me up. Send an invite. Thank you for the follow, guys. Temitopetu said understood. Good. At least when I have positive comments like this, it makes me know that yes, I'm communicating well. Okay, we'll go to the next question now. So kindly, if you want to screenshot, can take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of it and you go through it. It's explanatory. Guys, please kindly go to YouTube, search for Maths with Aisha Bande, and please kindly subscribe to my channel. Maths with Aisha Bande, see it here on the screen. Hey, Margaret, I'm glad you understand. Thank you. I'm glad you understand. I like comments like that. So I have another question. I have one very interesting question. It's a Maths Olympiad question. This question, I have to divide my board into 2. Let me use my daughter's ruler to divide it. I don't have a long ruler, so let me manage this. Please don't mind my line. Hey, this line is not straight though. This straight. Please let's manage it. So guys, we have 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m is equal to 65. This question is a bit challenging, challenging question. But let's see. Guys, please keep tapping. Keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping to all my gifters. Thank you so much. Thank you for the gifts. So just as we do it, you solve, drop your answer. Guys, keep tapping on the screen. Keep tapping. The more you keep tapping is a way of supporting me. It's a way of supporting me. The more you tap, we have more viewers. Thank you for the follow, everyone. To all my gifters, thank you. 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m is equal to 65. Find m. Don't ask ChatGPT. Don't go to chat GPT and solve and ask for the answer. Solve. Minus 4. Okay. We'll wait for the answers. Let's wait for more answers in the next 2 minutes. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. So all my gifters, thank you. Kindly follow me on YouTube. Search for Maths with Aisha Bande and subscribe to my channel. I'm waiting to get more answers. Okay. Please drop your answers in the comment section. Drop your answer in the comment section. Drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. If you have any question, kindly drop your question in the comment section as well. This class is supposed to last for 3 hours. So once it's 12 p.m. West African time, we'll end the live session. We have spent almost 2 hours now. So join me live Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. in the morning, 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and 10 p.m. in the night. Monday to Friday, I'll be solving maths and physics on this page. I have another page which just search for Aisha Bande on TikTok or on YouTube. You see my page. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. So I'm waiting to get more answers. In the next 30 seconds, we look at the answers we have from the comment section. Thank you everyone. Thank you for staying on this live. Thank you for joining. Thank you for reposting. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the engagements. Your engagement is the reason I'm still here. Your engagement is the reason I can stay for 3 hours straight without feeling tired. So thank you everyone. Keep tapping the screen. It's a way of supporting this live. So let's pick answers. If you want to join and you are in a noise-free environment, send an invitation and I'll accept. But ensure that your environment is not noisy. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. So I'll be in the comments now. Let me get answers. Divya has 4. Ajayi Mary has 4. Yusuf Magaji 4. Bethel 4. Asiwaju has 4. Olowo Layemo. Sorry if I didn't pronounce your name well. You have 4. Asiwaju has 65. Asiwaju is your final answer 65. Where is my doctor? So I have 4. I have 65. Let's search for more answers. Young Ayman has 65. Olaflo says I'm late. No, you are not late. No. Can still solve. But we have tried this live for almost 2 hours now. Or maybe I think it should even be 2 hours now. Because we started some few minutes to 9 today. So more flows. Ola flows, you're welcome. Okay. I think I have just 2 different answers for this question. We have 4 and we have 65. So if you got 65, okay, Olaflows is solving. Let's give him a few seconds for you to solve. Let him get his answer. Let's wait for others. Let's get more answers to this question. Let's get more answers. Olaflows, we are waiting for you. TML has 65. Okay. So already have 65 there. So let's see if we have different, if we will get different answers. So we're waiting to get more answers. Olaflow says I got it. I got 4. Okay. So that means we have 2 different answers. We have 4 and 65, right? So for those that got 65, the answer is incorrect. 65 is not the correct answer. So the correct answer is 4. So for those that have 4, you have it. So let's solve together. So tell me in the comment section, young guy man, sorry, next time you get it right. Guys, tell me in the comment section, what do I do first? What's the first step? Type in the comment section, tell me what do I do first? What's the first step? I'm in the comment section. No, I don't want testing. No. No. Testing. Testing. No. We can't do testing. What did we do first? Those that got 4, all of you that got 4 as your answer, you are correct. How did you get the 4? What's the first step? What is the first step for those that got 4? I'm waiting. Ajayi Mary, you two did testing. Hey, see this my children, oh. You guys are doing testing. I love doing testing, oh. This means that most of you went to ChatGPT to get your answer. Some people copied, right? Hey, no, I don't want testing, no. I want solved work. I want solved work because this is supposed to be an essay question. For you to solve, you have to solve and get the answer. Eh? So you guys did testing. Hey. 3 to the power of m is equal to p. Yes, Awuva, I'm here. I can see what you're saying. Go on. Chima says the answer is 3.9 approximately 4. Okay. I'm waiting. I'm in the comment section though. So that means nobody can tell me what to do. Ima says no idea. Is this all based on indices? Yes, it's indices. This one is a challenging one. Just solve it, time they go. This one is a challenging one. Oh. Alright, so let's solve it together. It's time to solve. Look for a number that can replace the m and it will give you the same number. Okay, let me show you what I did. Let me show you what I did. Let me get the marker. Let me show you what I did. Alright, so this is 3 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m. I decided to, this power is there. I decided to multiply the power by 2 and divide by 2. Multiply the power by 2 and divide by 2. Just watch what I'm doing. So this becomes 3 to the power of m. I'll multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Minus 2 to the power of m. I do the same thing for this power. Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. This is equal to 65. So now, this becomes what? 3. Now come, let me get my other pen. So this becomes 3. This 3 now. I can take this power of m and take this 2. What I want to do is I want to make the two values in the bracket become the same. Remember, I have a power here of 2. So basically, what I even did there, I could just take it as the first step. So this is m divided by 2, all to the power of 2, minus 2 to the power of m divided by 2, all to the power of 2. You can now see they are all in the same, they now have the same power. So what I did here was to ensure that they have the same power. Just be calm. You get it? Now why are you multiplying and dividing by 2? I'm multiplying and dividing by 2 because looking at this problem, if I decide to multiply by 1 and divide by 1, it would not change anything. Then I went to the next number. I'm using 2. If I divide by 2 and multiply by 2, it will make this the bases have the same power. So I want to make them have the same power. Just watch. So now I have 3 to the power of m over 2 all to the power of 2 here, right? Minus 2 to the power of m over 2 all to the power of 2 is equal to 65. So now I'll now say let 3 to the power of m over 2 to be equals to, let's say, a, and 2 to the power of m over 2 to be equal to b. So now let's come back to this. Now we are going to substitute. 3 to the power of m over 2 is a, right? But we have a square here. This is a square minus 2 to the power of m over 2. I represented it with b, so this becomes b squared is equals to 65. Tell me in the comment section if you just tell me continue if you understand up to this. Just tell me continue. Tell me continue if you understand up to this point. Okay. So now, a squared minus b squared. There is something that I can use to solve this. What do I call this? What is this called? A squared minus b squared. What do we call it? What do we call a squared minus b squared? I'm waiting. A squared minus b squared. What can we do here? Can we also use 3? I don't know. I didn't try it, but I just used 2. I just saw the question now, so I've not tried 3. Thank you. Smart study. Difference of 2 squared. So since this is difference of 2 squared, so this becomes what? You know, for difference of 2 squared, if you have x squared minus y squared, this is what? This is x plus y and x minus y, right? So this becomes what? A plus b and a minus b equal to 65. Hope we are together. Now let's expand this. Okay, we have a plus b, a minus b is equal to 65. Please, can you come back? Because if I finish solving this, I wouldn't want to go back again. I just want to solve the next question. Come back to me and tell me at what point before I move on. At what point? I'm waiting. Oh, I'll move on. Oh. So this now becomes A plus B and A minus B. Now, for this 65, I'm going to think of, okay, I'm going to take 2 factors of 65. Let me do a rough work here. 2 factors of 65, I have 1 and 65. I have 5 and what? 5 times what to give me 65? Is it 12 or 13? Please let me confirm. Factors of 65, 13. Okay. So I have 5 and 13. So the factors of 65, I'm going to use 5 and I'm going to use 13 to solve this problem. But this is A plus B. So the value for A plus B has to be the bigger number, which is, so I'm going to use 13 times 5. Please hope you understand this one, because I will not go back home. So I have 13 times 5, right? Can I continue? So I'm going to continue. So guys, so what this means is that what? This means that what? A plus B will be equal to 13 and A minus B will be equal to 5. So this becomes A plus B is equal to 13 and A minus B is equal to 5. So now this leads us to 2 equations. What do we call these equations? Tell me in the comment section. What do we call this equation? We have A plus B equals to 13, A minus B equals to 13. What do we call this equation? Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. Simultaneous equation, good. So we're going to solve these 2 equations simultaneously. So from equation 1, make A the subject, it becomes A minus B, it becomes what? A is equal to 13 minus B. So this becomes equation 3, right? Or which method do you want us to use? I didn't even ask you guys. We can use substitution or elimination. Should we eliminate or should substitute? Should we eliminate or we should use substitution? Okay, let's eliminate. Okay. So A is equal to 13 minus B. Now let's substitute for A into equation 2. So A becomes what? So this becomes A, which is 13 minus B. Then I have another minus B here is equal to 5, right? So this becomes what? Minus B is minus 2B is equal to 5. 13 crosses to become minus 13. So this becomes minus 2B is equal to 5 minus 13 is what? Minus 8. So minus cancels minus. We divide both sides by 2. So we have the value of B to be equals to 4. If you understand, tell me continue. Young guy man, where are you lost? Please don't be lost. Please don't be lost. Okay, let me continue. Now let's get the value for A from equation 3. A is equal to 13 minus B, so this becomes 13 minus 4, which is equal to 9. So A is equal to 9 and B is equal to 4. We have the values of A and B. But what we are looking for is not A or B. What are we looking for? We are looking for M, right? So to get the value for M, for the first one, so we come back to this. So this becomes 3 to the power of M over 2 is equal to 8. So let's substitute for A. This becomes 3 to the power of M over 2 is equal to 9. So this is 3 to the power of M over 2 is equal to, let's make the basis equal. This becomes 3 to the power of 2, right? So the basis becomes equal, we equate the power. So this becomes M over 2 is equal to 2. If we cross multiply, M will be equal to 2 times 2. So M equals to 4. Tell me understood in the comment section if you get this. Tell me understood in the comment section. Rational 1. Why are you confused? Chidonso, how I got 13 minus B minus B? I got 13 minus b because I went back to equation 2. Equation 2 is a minus b, right? Equals to 5. So I'm substituting for a into equation 2. And a is already 13 minus b. So this is like from equation 2, that is a minus b is equal to 5. So I substituted for a minus b here, equation 3, which is what? 13 minus b. Okay? So now let's check for the other one. We must have the same value of m. Now let's check for 2 to the power of m over 2. This is equal to b. So we have 2 to the power of m over 2 is equal to b. So what's the value for b? We have b to be 4. So this becomes 2 to the power of m over 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 2. I've made the bases equal, right? So the bases are equal now. I'm going to equate the powers. So we have m over 2 is equal to 2. If you cross multiply, we have m is equal to 2 times 2, right? So m is equal to 4. Can you see? We have the two answers as 4. The two of them gave us 4. And we can verify if this answer is correct. So that is the interesting thing about it. We can verify the answer. So we've gotten the value for m. If you understand, tell me understood. Tell me understood in the comment section. Or tell me verified. If you are good and you understand, just tell me verify so we can verify the answer. Kindly type verify if you get it. Type verify if you get this answer. Okay, Olaflo, you used another method. It's just that you told me that you used try and error, right? But you can send it to me. You can send it to me as a DM. Okay, so let's verify if the answer is correct. So let's verify. So what this means is what? If you substitute for m in the original question, you must have it to be 65. So this becomes 3 to the power of what? M, which is 4, minus 2 to the power of what? M, which is 4. So what is 3 to the power of 4? Please tell me in the comment section. Let me get my calculator. There are some things. 3 to the power of 4 is what? Is it 81? 3 to the power of 4. Please tell me. To the power of 4. 81, thank you. Then 2 to the power of 4. This one is 16. So what is 81 minus 16? 81 minus 16. 65. So can you see? So this shows that the answer m equals to 4 is correct because we have 65. If you understand what we did, type makes sense in the comment section. Type makes sense. Type makes sense. Alright. Thank you everyone. Abiodun says, use elimination method for the simultaneous equation. You want to see how to eliminate? Okay, let me show you. Let's use the elimination method as requested by Abiodun. So the equation is a plus b is equals to 13 and a minus b is equals to 5. So viewers, please tell me, if you want to eliminate, which one do we eliminate? Is it a or b? Which one can we easily eliminate here? Thank you, Benny. We want to eliminate. Who can tell me which one can we easily eliminate? Is it A or B we can eliminate? Type A. Is it A or B? Just type A. Either A is the answer or B. Okay, we are eliminating B. Benny said we are eliminating B. Well, thank you for the rows. Thank you so much. Why am I having different answers? B, 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 A, A. Let's see. If you put a minus here, you know we subtract, right? A minus A is 0. So that means it's A we eliminated. So those that said is B, you are not correct though. Those that said B. Those that said B, no. It's not B we are eliminating. It's we are eliminating A, right? So those that said we are eliminating, those that said B is not correct here. It's A we are eliminating. Right? Okay. Eliminating means removing. You are eliminating something, you are removing it, you are taking it out. So this becomes B minus minus B. So guys, what is minus times minus? Minus times minus is what? Minus times minus. Plus. Good. So this becomes plus B plus B. Plus B means plus 2B, right? So this is equals to 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is 8, right? So this means we divide both sides by 2. 2 cancels 2. We have B is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4. So for the person that was asking me that question, can you see that we now have B equals to 4? Now of your choice. You substitute for A. Let's say we have A plus B equals to 13. We want to use the first one. Now say A plus B, which is 4, is equal to 13. So A will be equal to 13 minus 4. 13 minus 4 will be equals to 9. So this is the elimination method. So can you see? We have A equals to 9. So any method you use, you always arrive at the same answer. Hey! The reason why it is A is because we are subtracting. And looking at this, if you subtract A from A, you get 0. So that means you have eliminated A, meaning you have removed A. That's what it means. How do you get 4 in the indices? 4. Which indices? Please, are you just joining? It's because you are just joining now, that's why. So we've already cleaned. I have that 4 because to be 4. What I did here was to verify the answer. The question is to the power of m minus 2 to the power of m. So we already have the value for m here. We got the answer for m as 4. So we just substitute the value for m to be 4 in the original question. Yes, substitute method is too long. Let's engage and follow. I will solve another question. We've been solving so many questions. I think this is the 8th question we have so far. If not questions choke, don't worry, we'll solve. But we have to clear one before we move to another. Thank you for the rose. Thank you so much for the gift. This is the 8th question we are solving. So we are going to number 9 now. We have been live since some few minutes to 9 a.m., right? I will be ending at 12. Wow, thank you so much for the roses. Thank you, my name. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for the rose. My name, Mr. O. Thank you, Mr. O. So let's have another one. So we don't waste time on one question. If you are writing jam, or you know family, friends, even your enemies, your neighbors, who are jam aspirants, WAEC, NECO, SAT, GCSE, kindly tell them to join my live, please. Tell them to join my live session. I pick questions from JAM, WAEC, NECO, external, internal WAEC, HSC, SAT, GCSE, from different topics. Please guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, search for Maths with Aisha Bande, and subscribe, engage on my channel, please. Okay, Benny, I don't say your comment. It's our problem. We want to use the additional sign to eliminate B. You can give that a try. That's one thing about maths. You give different method a try and see if you always get the answer, okay? Guys, please keep tapping on the screen. Keep tapping. The more you tap, the more people see this live. The more the live gets to a larger audience, okay? Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the gift, everyone. So let me see who can try this. Twenty-four to the power of x is equals to 16 to the power of 2 to the power of x. Yeah. I need to sit. So I'll be in the comments, I'll be waiting. Oh, thank you. Yes, guys, 24 to the power of x is equals to 16 to the power of 2x. Sorry, not 16 to the power of 2x, 16 to the power of 2 to the power of x. This one, I will not solve it all. If you know how to solve it, you know the steps on how to solve it, you have the answer. Send me an invitation, I will accept you, then you come and explain to us. You explain to us. If you know how to solve it, send an invite. If you can solve this question, send an invite. I will accept you. Then you come and explain to us. No, I don't want the solution yet. What I want is the final answer. If you want to 24 to the power of x is equals to 16 to the power of 2 to the power of x. Hey guys, sorry. I didn't copy the question correctly. Sorry. Please forgive me. That's not 24. That's not 24. Thank God I stopped in time. It is 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x. Please, let's correct it. 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x is equal to 16 to the power of 2 to the power of x. Please correct it. Sorry about that. How do I send an invite? There's an option for invitation. There's an option. You know, I'm not really used to this. I'm not really used to the app. I just started my live so seriously yesterday. Even me, I'm getting to learn some things here. Please, who can help Ola Flows to explain to him how to send an invite? Please, somebody should explain to him in the comment section. He wants to join as a guest. And on your profile, there's no option for me to send you an invite. If not, I would have done that. Yes, there should be a guest button there. There should be a guest button. If you can solve this question, send an invite. I will accept you. Then you explain. Lord MSK, you said it is not on from your end. No, it is on. 2 people sent me invitation this morning, some few minutes ago, and they were here. Two viewers sent me message and they joined me. They joined me. It's on. I sent you an invite. I think it's Where do I even see this invite? It's supposed to come up. Besides, where you type comments, you will see blue and pink head. Touch it to show request. Hey, why? Alright, thank you. Let me do that. Let me check where you type comments. I'm still looking for it though. Where I type comments. No, I'm just getting used to the app. I'm not really familiar with the app. Let me see where the comment is. I didn't say anything like that though. About 4 people has already requested. Yes, but the problem is I don't want to accept just random people. I want to be sure that their environment is not noisy. Do you understand? I don't want somebody in a noisy environment. Hey, why? Please guide me. How will I see the invite? Hey, like see this Hassan now. I saw his own and I've accepted his own. He disconnected. Beside the comment section. After the comment section, what I can see here is share, about me, campaigns, content disclosure. I don't see anything here. I didn't see it though. I don't know. I don't really know how to use this. I'm not very familiar with the app. Interesting. Okay. You see, like Asa now. I saw his own. His own came up. Asa requested to join as a guest. I saw his own. I accepted him, but he left. I won't touch the comment section. It's the person who wants to join your life that will do that, not you. It's just beside. Okay. Hey, why? Please, can you try and just send me an invitation? Let me see if your own will pop up. Guys, please keep tapping. Keep tapping. Okay, I've seen your own. Okay, I've seen your own. So people's own are not coming up. I don't know. Okay, it worked. It worked. Thank you. So who wants to join in and explain this to us? If you have your answer, drop your answer in the comment section. 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x is equal to 16 to the power of 2 to the power of x. Thank you, Haywire. Thank you. I appreciate you. Ajayi Mary has 1. Ola Flows, you said you are requesting, but I can't see it. I can't see it. Engineer Adex. Okay, I've seen it now. Engineer Adex has -4. Yes, let's get more answers. Yeah, yes, I've seen you. All right, you're welcome. So let me get more answers. Let me get more answers. Is this Olamide, right? Though I can't see the writing well. You said you're also requesting, but I can't see it. Okay. Olaflows, I've accepted this one. Send your request again. Let me see. I don't know if it's Olamide or what is this name. Yeah, I can see Ola there. Okay. Please, I want more answers, guys. What's the value for? What's the final answer to this question? Okay, Olawale. Okay. Olawale, I've not seen it yet. Send an invitation again. Olaflows, please just kindly hold on. Let's get more answers. Two to the power of 4 to the power of x is equals to 16 to the power of 2 to the power of x. Guys, let's do this. Drop your answer. Keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. We need more answers. We need more answers. Let me just sit down small. Guys, what is the answer you have? I mean, Ola Flex, right? Let him continue. 2. Okay. Alright, now let's see if you're correct. Macari Media, hope you are you're not in a noisy environment. I'll accept your no, not you. Somebody sent a request. I hope this person is not in a noisy environment. Okay, most people got to. Okay, Olaflows, let's go. So what do you do first? Raised to power 4, okay. Then we have raised to power 2 raised to power x, right? Is not okay. So what do you do next? Huh? Uh-huh. Say it again. 2 raised to power what? Say it again. Uh-huh. Yes. Uh-huh. Like this? Is it like this? Okay. Uh-huh. So this 2 raised to power 4, then to the power like this. Alright. So 2 raised to power 4 times, then the power 2 raised to power x, right? Okay. So what did you do next? Okay. So go on. Uh-huh. So request the power. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, go on. Yes, I do. It's not me explaining for. You're explaining to the audience. So audience, do you understand what Olaflows has been? Yes, it's audience you're explaining to. You are the teacher now. The only thing I'm doing for you is writing on the board. Audience, do we understand what Ola flows? Okay, they say you're correct. Good. They say yeah, they understand. So go on. Huh? Abiodun says this one no correct. Don't worry, continue Ola flows. Continue. Uh-huh. Okay. Just keep. Mm-hmm. Okay, the left, sorry. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Raised to power x, right? Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. Okay. I asked them now. You are the teacher, me, I'm only writing for you. Just continue. Just continue. Continue. Ola flows, you are the teacher. Oh. Yes, you are the teacher. Me, I'm just writing for you. So go on. No, don't worry. They know his times. They know his times. Yes. Uh-huh. Uh, okay. 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 Mm-hmm. Go on. Just go on. So let's reply to him. Okay, they are replying to you. They said yes. They said yes. So go on. They're very bitter feminists. Yes, some people say yes, some people said no. But just go on. Even me when I solve, some people will tell me yes or no, so it's normal. So just go on. The thing is, you want to see if you get the answer correctly. No, just go on. Just okay. So what do we do next? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. The bases are equal. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Uh-huh. So we collect like terms, right? So it becomes 2x minus x is equal to 2, right? And 2x minus x will give us x. So this is equal to 2. This is how you got your answer. Huh? Yes. Yes. Yes, 2x minus x is 1x, which also means x. So it's equal to 2. So, alright, okay. So guys, hope you understood what Olaflows just explained. Temitope said I'm late. You're not late though, because we just finished solving this. You can check through. You can check through. So, next president, you are new here. Thank you for joining. Olaflows, thank you very much. This was self-explanatory and you broke it down to the lowest term. As in, even a layman, somebody who is not mathematically inclined, can look at this solution and confidently say yes, he understood what has been done from the beginning. Desiree said, I don't understand. Mohammed, wa alaikum assalam, you're welcome. Alright, Olaflows, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Okay, I'll brief it. So let me brief what Olaflows has done. I like an interactive class. So I like it when I'm not the only one talking. Once I'm in the midst of people, I always want interaction. That's why I bring up those are interested to solve a problem, not me solving all the time. So now, for the sake of those who do not understand, for sake of those who do not understand, we go over again. Like the very bitter feminist, I will go over again now. And Temitope too said I should go over. So let me just do a brief of what Olaflows has done. And we're also going to verify his answer. The question is 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x is equal to 16 to the power of 2 to the power of x. So what we are looking for is the value for x. Just know that in mathematics, anytime you see a letter in any question, what we are required to find in that question is the value for that letter. That is your known variable, right? Good. So now this is 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x. So what he tried to do here was to he in this step he wants to make the bases equal. Since the base here is 2, the right hand side 2 has to have a base of 2. And this is 16. 2 to the power of 4 will give us 16. Then this 16, this 16 already has a power of 2 to the power of x. This is not 2x. This is not 2x. This is 2 to the power of x. So the next step, since the bases are now equal, this is the left hand side, it still remains the same. So on the right hand side, this 2 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of x. See these powers here. This 2 is the 2 we have here. Then this 4 is this 4 here. Then you now multiply this and you now took this 2 to the power of x here. This is 2 to the power of x. This is 2 to the power of 4 is what we have in the brackets. See it here. Then 2 to the power of x is the power, so he multiplied it. So here, what he did here, where is it? So what we did here, we still left this left hand side. This is from here. Okay, let me indicate this left hand side here. This is 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x is equal to. Now, okay, no, that's not what he did in this step. This step here, what he did here is now the bases are equal, 2, 2, right? So once the bases are equal, what do you do to the powers? You equate the powers. So equated the powers, here becomes 4 to the power of x is equal to now 4 times the 2 to the power of x. That is what he did here. He equated the powers. So this 4 now, here we have 4, we have a base of 4, we have 4, we have 2. So now he now simplified by making this have the same base both left and right hand side. Right? Hope you are getting it. So now this now becomes, this 4 here now becomes what? 2 to the power of 2. Already we have a power of x here. Equal to, this 4 also is 2 to the power of 2. Multiply, this point here is not a decimal point. It means division and multiplication. If it was to be a decimal point, the point would be here, down here. That's how you identify a decimal point for multiplication, okay? So this is multiplication. Then we have this 2 to the power of x. Now he has made all the bases equal. He picked the bases here are equal on the right hand side. So he picked one of them, which is the 2. And from indices, if we have x to the power of a times x to the power of b, this becomes x to the power of a plus b. So that's the rule he applied here. Since the bases are equal, he added the powers, right? And on the left hand side, we have 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x. Now the bases are now equal on both sides. So since the bases are equal, he equated the powers. That is 2 times x is 2x equal to 2 plus x. So we collected like terms here, 2x, this plus x will cross the equal sign and become a minus x equal to 2. This 2 is still 2 because it's changing, it doesn't change its position, it's maintaining the same position on the right hand side. So we have 2x minus x here gives us 1x. And we know that in mathematics 1x also means x equal to what we have on the right hand side, which is 2. So that's how you got x equal to 2. So Olaflos, thank you so much. We appreciate your contribution. Thank you. Okay. Thank you once more, Olaflos. So guys, let's verify his answer before we move on to the last question for today. To all my gifters, thank you once more. I appreciate you all. I do not take anyone here for granted. For those that have been going on and off, I thank you. Because you have me in mind and you want to support me. That's why you have been going on and off. Okay guys, so let's verify if the answer is correct. Now we are going to substitute the value for x on the left hand side and right hand side. Okay? And see if the values we give or if we will have the same values. Okay, next president. See you tomorrow. Though I'll be back at 3 p.m. Yes, you can screenshot, please. I'll be back at 3 p.m. Remember, you join me 9 a.m., 3 p.m. and 10 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday. You can screenshot. So let's verify. I like verifying my answer. So we have 2 to the power of 4x. So this becomes, let me draw a straight line here. So we have 2 to the power of 4. What am I calling this 4x? It's power. 2 to the power of 4 to the power of x. So x here is 2 is equal to 16 to the power of 2 to the power of this x, which is 2. Now let's do this together, guys. 4 square. Remember I told you we always start from the right hand side. 4 square is 16. So this becomes 2 to the power of 16 is equal to 16 to the power of 2 square is 4. So 2 to the power of 16. Please tell me in the comment section what is 2 to the power of 16. What is 2 to the power of 16, guys? Please tell me in the comment section. To the power of 16. Hello? Okay, sorry, I'm in a live session. I'll call you when I'm done. Yeah. 65536. 65536. All right. So here we have 65536 equals to 16 to the power of 4. So what is 16 to the power of 4? To the power of 4, please check. 65536. Okay. So that means 16 to the power of 4 is also 65536. So you can see that what we have on the left hand side is the same with what we have on the right hand side. So our answer is correct. X is equal to 2 is correct. So guys, tell me continue if you want me to move on to the next one. Just type continue so I can move on to the next one. Guys, please keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping. You guys should please keep tapping. The more you tap, the more audience sees this live. Please keep tapping. It's just a way of supporting me. Just tap, 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 tap on your screen. Next one, another question. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. Keep tapping, tap, 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 tap. Join Join me live Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. in the morning, 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and 10 p.m. at night, West African time. If you are a 2026 aspirant for WAEC, NECO, JAM, HSC exam, SAT, GCSE, kindly follow my page. That's where I get all my questions from under different topics. Keep tapping, keep tapping. So this is the last question for this session. An interesting one here. Guys, keep tapping on your screen. Keep tapping so that this live will reach a larger audience. You guys were tapping yesterday online. Yesterday, you guys were tapping for me. Keep tapping. It's just a way of supporting me. So the question is, if m to the power of 3 minus 2m plus y is equals to 0, solve m to the power of 5 plus m to the power of 2 plus 2. So let's solve in the next 60 seconds. I'll be in the comment section. I'll be in the comment section. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. Guys, keep tapping. If you have your answer, can you drop your answer in the comments? I'm still waiting, I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. No, I don't speak French. I'm still waiting for answers. If you have your answer, drop your answer in the comment section. This is the last question for today. Do I speak Fula? Yes, I do. I speak Fula. Mavic said it's complicated. Okay, we'll solve it together. But just, you say you're not sure of your answer, just drop it. We'll do the correction. Jamwali. Jam. I told you I speak Fula. You want to test me, right? You want to know if I actually speak the language. It needs to be talked. Okay. So I'm blocking it. Medicine number. M to the power of 3 minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Guys, keep tapping, keep tapping. To all my gifters, thank you so much. Thank you for your engagement, everyone. Okay, Uma Diko, nice meeting you from Burkina, right? Don't forget to share this live so more of your students from Burkina Faso will see this live and benefit from it. Okay, Umar, no problem. I'll be expecting you in my inbox. I'm still waiting. Is this one difficult? I don't have any answer yet. Guys, please don't forget to follow. Don't forget to follow. You know, don't just watch the video. Don't forget to follow. Guys, I'm waiting. It's difficult. Nobody is solving this one. I should solve. This one is okay. Let me solve. Let's start. M to the power of 3 minus 2m plus 1. So we are required to solve for m over m to the power of 5 plus m squared plus 2. You see this one? After step or after every 2 steps, I'll come and ask you guys, do you understand? You tell me yes. At the end of the solution, nobody should tell me start from the beginning, please. Because I have just 10 minutes to finish this live. Okay, what we are going to do, let's pick the solution now. Now we have m to the power of 3 minus 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, let's collect like terms. Or let's rearrange. Let's bring this 2m to the right hand side. We have m to the power of 3 plus 1. This will be equal to minus 2m will become 2m, right? If you understand what I did here, tell me understood. It's tricky. It's tricky, but it's not difficult. If you understand what I did here, just tell me continue. I will not go back and explain it. Tell me continue. Okay, good. Now we are done with the original question. Now let's come here now. This is m over m to the power of 5 plus m to the power of 2 plus 2, right? So this is equal to m over this m to the power of 5. I want to break it down so that it will be similar to this second term so that I can collect common factors. We solved a question similar to this yesterday. For those who were with me yesterday, my yesterday live. Here you go start with factorization. Something of that nature. That's what we're going to do here. So this m to the power of 5, I can break it down to the m to the power of 3 plus 2. Right? So we have plus m to the power of 2 plus 2. So this is equal to m over, from the laws of indices, if we have x to the power of a plus b, this is the same thing as what? X to the power of a times x to the power of b. So this m to the power of 3 plus 2 will be what? M to the power of 3 times m to the power of 2. Now we have plus this m to the power of 2 plus 2. If you understand to this point, tell me understood. Okay. Just all done with the question. Let's finish solving. Let's finish with this one. If you understand up to this point, type understood or just type continue. Okay, so it's not sure. Alright, so now this now becomes m over. Now what is the common factor here? For these first two terms, we have a common factor here, which is what? M to the power of 2. So if you factorize m squared from this first term, we'll be left with m to the power of 3 plus, if you factorize m squared from m squared, we have 1, then we have plus 2 here. So if you observe, look at this, m to the power of 3 plus 1 is what? 6. It's 2m, right? So we'll now substitute this here. So this now becomes m over m squared. Now instead of m to the power of 3 plus 1, I'll substitute it with 2m. So here I have 2m, then plus 2. If you understand till this point, tell me continue. Sorry, I'm not doing a recap as I said. I want to finish up. Please, if you understand till this point, tell me continue. I want more people to tell me continue. I want 3 more persons. I want 3 more persons to make it 5. Tell me continue, please. If I have 5 people that will tell me continue, it means I'm good. Let's continue, good. So now, I'm going to simplify this. So this is equal to, I have m over m squared times 2m. We give me 2m to the power of 2. No, sorry, 2m to the power of 3, then plus what? Plus 2. Are we seeing this? So this is equal to what? Now I have 2m to the power of 2m to the power of 3 plus 2. I think I can still factorize here, right? Who can tell me at this point, what can I do? I'm in the comments. From here, I have m over 2m to the power of 3 plus 2. What can I do at this point? Please let me know in the comment section. What can I do here? 2m to the power of 3. 2m to the power of 3 plus 2. Good. Fasasi Lukman. 2 is a common factor. Very good. So it now becomes m over, the common factor here is 2, open bracket. If you factorize 2 from 2m to the power of 3, we have 2. We have m to the power of 3 plus, if you factorize 2 from 2, we are left with 1. Now let's come back to this again. You know we have m to the power of 3 plus 1 is 2m back, and now substitute it. So this now becomes m over 2, open bracket. Now this is 2m. I have 2m here. I'm not done though. Where will I continue from? Let me come up here. So now we have m over 2 times 2m gives us 4m, right? So what can cancel out? This m can cancel out the m, right? We have 1 at the top here, so the answer is equal to 1 over 4. Shikenampa. That's all. That is the answer. 1 over 4. Do we understand? Please give me a follow as you are watching. Please give me a follow. Please support me, I beg. I'm standing for 3 to 4 hours. It's not easy. The only thing that will make me forget about the pains is when I see that my page is growing. And my page can only grow if you guys support. And how do you support me? You click on follow, you share, you tap, so that more people will see this page. The page will be visible. Please follow. Please don't just watch. Follow, please. Aisha the creator. Thank you. Thank you, my namesake. Please, guys, follow. Aisha, thank you for sharing the live. Thank you, guys. Thank you. We started this class we started 9:30, and here we are. I can still stay for another 30 minutes though, but I need to shoot videos I'll post on my page. Guys, thank you so much. So all my gifters, I appreciate you all. I am in Nigeria. I am in Nigeria, northern part of Nigeria. Guys, thank you. Okay, so we're going to meet at 3 p.m. So what do you suggest we do at 3 p.m.? But at 3 p.m. I stay for only 1 hour. In the morning I stay 3 to 4 hours. In the afternoon I stay 1 hour. At night I stay 1 hour. Hey Queen, thank you so much. Thank you for the gift. I appreciate you. Trigonometry. Okay. So at 3 p.m. I will solve questions on trigonometry. But I will be staying for just 1 hour. At 3 p.m. we meet for trigonometry, but I'll stay for just 1 hour. Okay? Trigonometry. Please, can I do trigonometry at night? I wanted us to do sword. Sword in the afternoon. I have questions on sword already. Now, if I want to do trigonometry, I have to start looking for questions, and I'll be going out now. No, it's not only maths I teach you. Please, let's do sword in the afternoon. We'll do trigonometry at night. Please, sorry about that. 3 p.m. we'll do sword. I have some questions on sword, some few questions, please. Then at 10 p.m. we'll do trigonometry. I also teach physics on this page, but I have another page where I teach chemistry. Just search for Aisha Bande on TikTok. You see my second page will come up. If you are following this, my first page, if you search for my name, the second page will come up. Yes, it will come up. Please, guys, support me on YouTube. My YouTube channel is Maths with Aisha Bande. Please let me subscribe to my YouTube channel. If it means me kneeling down for your support, I will do it too. I'm also live on YouTube, right, as I'm live here. Please, guys, kindly support me on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. I am Exela. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you for your engagement. I appreciate you. Thank you, everyone, for joining this live. So see you guys at 3 p.m. If you have any question, let me drop your question. Okay, Benny, thank you for your understanding. So sword, we'll do sword. Simultaneous equation. We did a simultaneous equation yesterday. So I want to do something different. We did simultaneous equation yesterday. For those that were with me at 3 p.m. So guys, we are going to meet at 3 p.m. West African time. No, I don't teach biology. I only teach maths, chemistry, and physics. Maths, further maths, chemistry, physics. I don't know anything in biology. The least I can do in biology is just draw a skeleton and label it. That's all. Or if you want private classes, I have tutors that can take you for a token. If you are preparing for any external exam, kindly reach out to me. My green app number, contacts, is on my bio. So guys, I need to, Babatunde Mariam, you're welcome. Thank you, Benny. Thank you too for your engagement. God bless you all. It's been over 3 hours having you guys here. So see you at 3 p.m. What are the subjects you teach? Maths, further maths, chemistry, physics. All right, Timothy, thank you. Merci, Omar. All right, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you once more. I appreciate everybody here. I appreciate all your engagements. Thank you. If you don't have time in the afternoon, you can come at night. I'll be here 3 p.m. in the afternoon, 10 p.m. at night. Look at the times I come online for live. 9 a.m. in the morning. I go up to 3 hours. Yes, I go 3 hours or more in the morning. But in the afternoon, I do just 1 hour. Then in the night, I do 1 hour. So I do like 5 hours in a day. Out of 24 hours, I do 5 hours live. So guys, please, kindly go to YouTube. Don't forget, Maths with Aisha Bande, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone. God bless you. See you later at 3 p.m. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, and see you in my next live session.